Hi, this is Carrie, and today we're going to be talking about hazards in hoarding houses. Feces is a big issue going into hoarding houses. Feces carries many different types of diseases. Shigella, Salmonella, E. coli, specifically hepatitis A and hepatitis E are heartily carried in feces. Again, it can remain active for up to 45 days. You want to make sure you're wearing the appropriate PPE upon entering hoarding houses. We also talk about mold. There are various types of molds out there. You want to make sure you're wearing a mask so you don't breathe those into your system. One of the worst types of mold that any human could ever breathe in is human fecal mold. I know of a police officer who actually lost 75% of his lung capacity on his left lung because of the fecal mold that he had breathed in a hoarding scene. Make sure you're wearing your N95 mask. We also talk about bed bugs. You want to make sure you have a suit on, or at least the booties, because they like to travel in the shoelace loops on your shoes. They'll also crawl onto your clothing if you're working around a bed. They feed on human blood as you sleep, and they're usually hiding out right around a bed. Headboards, windowsills, electrical outlets, bed frames. Those are all places you want to be aware of. Definitely make sure you have the proper PPE on so you don't take those home with you at the end of the day. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Remember, 24 Trauma is the preferred partner with law enforcement and first responders across New England. Please do not hesitate to call us with any questions that you may have.